सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारा YouTube चैनल और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए लेटेस्ट नॉलेजेबल वीडियो सबसे पहले पाने के लिए।
जो टॉपिक के फेवर में बोलेंगी एंड शी इज फ्रॉम डीडी ललित नारायण मिश्रा यूनिवर्सिटी दरभंगा एंड स्टूडेंट ऑफ बीए कुमारी सुगंधा।
Good afternoon to everyone and thank you so much, sir. I am Sugandha and I am in the favor of the motion. I strongly believe that our education system has failed to address the social challenges. As Akash was just now telling that education system has taught us to react, not to respond. There is much difference between reaction and respond. And the best example you can see on the road when you are in the traffic. The person sitting in the car is whether he is a doctor, a lawyer or an IS officer, but he will not respond, but he will react. And that is the best example of being educated. What our present education system has taught us. Let me not talk about present education system, but let me start with the goal of the education. The goal of the education as decided by the Mudaliar and the Kothari and many such commissions, National Education Policy 1986, was the holistic development of an individual. But somewhere down the lines, I think we have mixed the term growth and development. We need to be developed, but I think we the stakeholders of education have mingled these both terms, and that's why we are left only with being growth, being developed. So the cause is that India is still a developed country. It is developing, it is not in the developed countries. If we see the literacy rate of India, it is 74%, whereas the United States is 83%. And see the difference. One of my contenders was talking about that Modi ji is bringing Digital India and such programs. But if we have really succeed in this 21st century and 21st era, then why we are talking about social challenges? I don't think that we need to talk about social challenges then. We could have sat here and we could have talked about satellites or doing something much better than this. Yeah, I know that it is the role of the teacher to embrace our society. But when the teacher teaches Eidgah in the class or Do Bailon ki Kahani in the class, the lesson is left in the class only. And what the child carries? Nothing. And so there is a need of class called value education. We have the books called value education. In English it is said that first practice, then preach. Are we really doing that? Are we really doing? If we would have doing that, then I don't think that we have to talk on this matter still. Social challenges. If we talk about Japan, America and other developed countries, aren't we talking about this? They are moving far ahead of this. We Indians still are here. And if we talk about India, the Bihar, see the literacy rate. Why going far away? And one of our friends, my friend was telling Kalpana Chawla. How many Kalpana Chawla? After Kalpana Chawla, only one Sunita Williams. And he was telling to see this, the same number of girls and same number of boys. You go and ask to every girl sitting here. She has faced many problems, many challenges, and then she has came here. I'm talking about myself. You know what people say? The people, especially my society people say that I have got an age, a handsome age to get married. Who are the people saying this? The society people. Not my parents, not my family members, but the society. And what is society? We are the society. When there is Education Day, Saksharta Divas, or when there is Environmental Day, we teach our students, plant trees, save earth, green earth, this earth, that slogan, this slogan. But are we really practicing? I don't think so. I don't think so. क्योंकि वही टीचर है, अगर दूध लाना हो तो वो पैदल नहीं जाएगा, वो प्लास्टिक बैग लेके जाएगा, वो पॉलिथीन बैग लेके जाता है घर से. And today our government has banned. That's why we are not carrying. But there are many shopkeepers. Leave the shopkeepers. We only. Do we carry? cloth bags, I don't think so anyone is carrying. We ask for a polythene bag, knowing that what polythene is causing harm to the environment. And in the curriculum, in the syllabus, in the book, you are teaching students we should save our planet, we should save our environment. But that lesson is in the class, within the four walls of that room. Yes, I truly agree. And before ending, I would like to address these few lines of Mahadevi Verma. सच हम नहीं, सच तुम नहीं, सच है महासंघर्ष ही. सच है महासंघर्ष ही, लेकिन वह संघर्ष कब तक? वह संघर्ष कब तक? To you all, thank you.
ये थी कुमारी सुगंधा जो इस टॉपिक के फेवर में अपनी बात रख रही।
सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारा YouTube चैनल और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए लेटेस्ट नॉलेजेबल वीडियो सबसे पहले पाने के लिए।